I remember clearly you had said that during Raat Akeli Hai that you were going to be part of the first one.
Oh yes, yes.
And we discussed also like how destiny also in a way plays a role.
Yes.
Tell me, which are the other projects in your career where probably you came little close to working with someone or on a particular project that didn't happen, and then you again became part of it. Maybe worked with the director again. Yes. Like it came to you and then it didn't work out, and then probably you ended up working with the same person. Like how it happened in case of Raat Akeli Hai.
Oh wow. I think Nikhil Advani.
Yes.
We had been wanting to work for a while, but again, something or the other would happen and it didn't work out. And then Bazaar came, which was being produced by him.
Yes.
So I ended up doing that. But उसके अलावा मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता कि कुछ बिल्कुल होने वाला था and फिर उसके बाद कुछ और हुआ. I have missed out on a lot of work that has been very painful. जिस तरह का काम I kind of missed out on. So ऐसा तो हुआ है कि पास आके and then फिर नहीं हुआ. ऐसा तो I think हर actor के साथ होता है. That it almost happened and then it didn't happen.
Okay.
So that has happened to me a lot of times.
Which are those projects?
So many projects. So
Just name
many
a few
projects.
for us.
I mean, मतलब इसमें से मेरी भी बहुत बड़ी गलती है कि मैंने मना किया कुछ projects को, which I shouldn't have. I mean, I've said this before, and in fact, Kangna, I think, also said that thank God she refused. Because I refused Gangster, I refused Tanu Weds Manu, I refused, but my God, I'm so glad I did, because it's a pleasure to see her do what she did with Tanu Weds Manu. Then I missed out on Chalte Chalte with Shah Rukh long time back. But that's when I had already left work, so I wasn't around, and I can't remember what else was there. Mangal Pandey, not Rani's part, the other part was something that I didn't do. So ऐसा होता है आप in the beginning you do end up listening to other people, and sometimes you're not sure. And you don't आप imagine नहीं कर पाते हो कि ये how will it translate,
True.
Sometimes you don't have the vision to understand that.
Right.
So it was just one of those things really, but you learn.
Right.
You live and learn, yes.
Right. But in hindsight, when you look at these movies, because as you mentioned that, of course you can't, Kangana has done a great job. It was, all these opportunities probably would have taken your career, right up there, right from the beginning. Not that it is not, but
no,
yes.
It's not, I know.
There were
far
certain
from where I would want to be.
Yes. So there were certain setbacks that happened.
Of course.
Had you done these movies, do you think the trajectory of your career would have been different?
Would have, could have, should have, there are those words, but definitely, maybe the long breaks that I took, if I hadn't taken those, especially the first one, which was almost 7 years, that was a very, very long break, and maybe if I hadn't done that, I probably would have done Chalte Chalte, I would have still been around. Things could have been very different, when you look back, but all over again, अगर मैं फिर से वहाँ पहुँचूँ and फिर से मुझे ऐसा, I think I'll still end up doing this, because there were certain issues and there were certain situations in my life at that point, my family, emotionally, I just wouldn't have been able to leave all that and come. वो होता ही नहीं मुझसे. होता भी तो I think I would have made a mess of this. So it's just one of those things, yeah. But I'm very happy where I am, and I think it's so much better because I'm emotionally inside so much more complete, and I feel like I've got myself, I think that's better. It's far more important to take care of that first, yes.
And then it also reflects in your work. That's what I personally believe, that if you're probably happy in your personal space a lot more, or maybe if you're happy in a way, or you feel that, okay, whatever you wish to do, you've done that, and successfully, and that translates because you take that energy to work. You take that positivity, while choosing projects. You're more, so in that sense, Chitrangada, have you become more, wiser is not the word, but have you become more calculative? Do you make your choices more bravely now?
I think, Komal, I also feel like whatever you go through in life for an actor, it adds to your emotional experiences. Yes. You become emotionally probably a little more intelligent. So when you are making those choices for parts that you have to play, or how you have to play, or situations that you're in, you come from from a place of a lot more. I mean, let's just say you're more rich with experience, whether it's emotional or life or things like that. It makes you more well-rounded, I suppose. So you end up making better choices. You end up doing those things better. It definitely makes a huge difference.
It does.
Instead of everything being good all the time and not taking any breaks and not going and actually living life. I don't know how well that works. पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जितना भी कुछ मेरे साथ हुआ या जो मैंने जिया, जो भी मैंने breaks लिए, सब कुछ, all that pain and ups and downs and the roller coasters really added to the excitement. And it teaches you so much. It makes you एक ठहराव आता है आपकी लाइफ में inside you, which is a good thing for an actor.
It is. Having a start with such great stalwarts like Gulzar Saab, Sudhir Mishra, tell me, how has that set your base or your foundation as an actor in the industry?
I think what happens is that when you get to work so closely with someone like Sudhir, who is, I think, a true filmmaker in a lot of ways. He's somebody who's written, he's assisted, he's done so many things. I mean, he lives for cinema. And it's a very different school of cinema as well, who believe in the craft and the matlab. So my education literally was zero. As you know, where I came from, where I've landed and where I've reached. It was, I mean, it's just a complete coincidence. So when I was on set, I used to only keep listening to him.
Oh.
I remember on Hazaro, there were a lot of good actors. KK was of course there. Then there was Saurabh Shukla. There were so many good actors there. So when they would sit and talk, I would just be like absorbing everything. Every sentence was new. Every word was new for me. So he taught me so much. Like I remember, I was so nervous, and I'd ask him, "Ki main aise karu, waise karu." He says, "Kuch nahi. You just react." And just try and react as honestly as possible. That's all you will do. And literally, that's all I would do. I would play some situation in my head that's happened, and I would react to it. Like even that moment, in the police station where she's getting molested and all that. It was literally me just imagining that. There was no working out the scene and I'll do nothing. It was just pure reaction. I learned so much. Like he taught me how to work with silences, and he said someone like you, with the presence that you have on camera, silences you can really make it work for yourself. So sometimes, it's very important for a director to make the actor aware of your strengths.
Strengths, that's so true.
Because sometimes you don't know what you have. You try and, cover up by doing too much. And for me, he always said that less is more. You should always try and, work like that. So yeah, I learned so much from him.
From Gulzar Saab, anything that probably he made you aware of?
Gulzar Saab also, because he knew I was a non-actor.
Yes.
He also directed me like बिल्कुल like a novice कि इसको ये situation बताओ, just react to it. And like just that was what he did with me as well. And I think that is probably what you should try and hold on to. जितना आप workout करते हो उतनी innocence, somewhere you lose the innocence. So it's probably better to keep a certain amount of balance.
Right. Any other directors who made you aware of your strengths?
I think Honey did lately. If I think, like I'm the kind of actor who feels like my third, fourth take is I've given my best. Like this is it. Iske aage I cannot. Like for me, when it's like जब आपने पहले 2 words बोले, आपने यहाँ देखना है, फिर तीसरे चौथे में यहाँ देखना है, फिर से वापस आना है, फिर से. For me, when that starts happening, it disturbs me. But what I learned from Honey is that sometimes, for technical reasons, you have to go beyond that, and you have to be able to do this. So to get bored with a certain emotion and still make it work, I think that's what he taught me for the first time. I learned a lot in Gaslight. When I did with Pawan Kriplani. For the first time I worked with an acting coach. I'd never ever been with an acting coach.
Who's
so
the
he
acting
got
coach?
me. I'll get you the name. I forget his name right now. But he taught me so much. I learned so much on that film.
what are you looking forward to in 2026 in terms of the kind of work that you want to do, the roles that you wish to pick up, the directors that you wish to work with, and will you produce, because you did produce one movie?
So, of course, Galwan is probably what I'm really praying and looking forward for. I think it'll be very special. There is something that I'm going to produce and is finally coming together. So I'm really hoping that we start next year. Then there's a conversation for another film, a smaller film, but it's an important, very important film. And other than that, there might be some international kind of collaboration, but we will know of this soon. But if it has to happen, I mean, that'll happen middle of the next year. So that's what's going on.